Welcome to Forex Pros. Today we will be doing the complete breakdown analysis of GBPUSD, in which I will be teaching some of the most basic techniques which you can use in your analysis. I will try to make this video educational as much as possible. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. I am the owner of Forex Pros. You can find our Telegram channel in the description, where we provide free signals and a lot of free education. So let's start our analysis. So as you know that I always do a complete breakdown analysis starting from the monthly chart. I move down to the 4-hour chart. And the reason for that is monthly, weekly and daily time frames are best to get the direction of the market. And if you want a confirmed entry point, 4-hour chart is the best. So starting from the monthly chart, what kind of situation do we have? So as we discussed in our past analysis, that on the monthly the market has approached a very important structure support. This is the important structure support because on the last retest the market made all this huge move to the upside. Again on the test the market made a strong rejection, and again on the last test what we can see is that another strong rejection. So on the monthly time frame, basically the market is moving in the upward direction. And another key concept which I have discussed almost 1,000 times in my past analysis is that whenever the market makes a candle with this kind of tail, what do we mean by this kind of tail? I mean is that whenever the market makes a candle with a long tail, it means that the market on the shorter time period has basically broken above a structural resistance, and after the breakup the market has retested, made a correction, and then it will be moving in the upward direction. So this is exactly what the market did. Market broke above the structural resistance, made a retest, and in the next candle the market covered the tail. So whenever you see a candle like that which with a long wick, the next candle will surely be covering the tail. So this is the key concept which can help you in a lot of analysis. So moving down to the weekly chart, see what the market has to provide us. So on the weekly chart what we can see is that the market is basically approaching a structure resistance, and on the last retest what we know is that the market made all this move to the downside. So again there's a possibility that the market will be making a move to the downside from this structure resistance. Now moving down to the daily chart, the situation is very interesting, and the reason for that, as we discussed in our past analysis, which I'll be linking in the description, so I suggest that you go and watch the past analysis so that you have a complete and better understanding of the technical aspects of due to which we predicted that the market will be making this W formation with overextended tail to the upside. Now when the market made this tail, what we said that the market will be making a retracement to the bottom neckline, and although it was not a proper retracement, but the market did give a retracement, and we were able to capitalize to make take out a good trade from it. But one thing which we can see is that while making its move into the upside, there was not even a single red candle, which indicates that the pressure of bulls were very high. The buyers were entering the market. Now the current situation of the market is that this is a structure support which the market has made, and yet it is respecting it because there is not even a single daily candle which has closed below the structure support. So how will we approach this kind of situation? First of all, what do we expect? We expect the market to make a retracement from this point. As you know that we are reactive in the market and not predictive. What do I mean by being reactive? So first of all, we can predict that the market will be making a move towards the downside. So this is our prediction. But when the market starts making the move, then we will be taking the trade that is being reactive. And if you want a confirmed entry point, you can join our Telegram channel like I discussed before, where we provide free signals and free education. So coming back to the analysis, so if you want to measure the retracement, what will be our target on the daily chart? Now as I have discussed multiple times that whenever you want to measure a retracement, what will we do? We will take a Fibonacci from the bottom to the top, and what we can see is that our target on the daily chart will be between 0.6 and 0.5 level. 0.5 level is the mid level of the retracement, and the 0.618 level is the golden ratio of the retracement. And why will be considering these level? Why not 0.786 and 0.382? The reason for that is you can see that this structure aligns well with the in between 0.5 and 0.618 level. So just for the sake of being safe, what will we do? We will set our daily target at the 0.5 level, and where we could take out our trade, close the trade, and be safe. Now, as we have our daily target, now let's see how can we approach the market. First of all, let me remove the Fibonacci retracement because we have our target in our at our place. So if the market breaks below the structure support, we will wait for the market to first of all break below this support, and after that this support will be turned into resistance. And what will we do? We will monitor the price action of the market on the 4-hour chart, and if our rules of trading satisfy, the momentum of the market on the 4-hour chart shifts to the downside. And the reason for that is monthly, weekly, and daily time frames are just to get the direction of the market. To get our confirmed entry point, 4-hour chart is the best. So we will be monitoring the price action of the market on the 4-hour chart, and if our rules of entry point satisfy, we can have a good shorting opportunity with our daily target being at this point. So if you liked our analysis, do like and subscribe and join our mentorship program and learn the best strategies which have been tested for more than 5 years and have a success rate of more than 90%.